Okay, we're going to do a project video today. And here is the project. A fill unit for a porcelain receptacle unit or toilet bowl filler. Okay, I'm pretty sure, now I may be wrong, but as long as there's no problem, the tools we're going to need is maybe a straight screwdriver, a pair of channel locks, or a pair of pliers. There'll be one or the other, and a catch bucket. Okay, here we go. Going to take the lid off and put it in here, out of the way. Okay, then down here and turn off the water supply, and then do a holding flush. Bring as much water out as we possibly can. We've got our supplies that we're going to use. Okay, we've done our drain out. Now we'll try to get this hose loose without breaking it. And this is the part that I said, as long as nothing goes wrong. We had some bad water here for a long time, and it has carried over to the times now that I've got the city water, and it makes it to where these things go out pretty quick. Hopefully this is going to be my last one that I have to change, as in, you know, hoping that now they will last a little longer. I'm going to bring my bucket up here, and because we're going to get a little water right here. Trying not to make too big of a mess and catch this as best I can. Catch the water as best I can. I will now take and dump this in the toilet and try to maneuver my bucket back in place to catch the little drips. There we go. Okay. And you pull this little tube out, and at this point, there's the old one. I started to just go ahead and take this out. I thought I would change and do the video of taking it out. So, right there is the section that we need. That's the main part that we need. And my flapper is good, so I'm going to actually save that for another time, and then reach down inside this box, pull out the tube, and it looks like there is an instruction paper, which I'll put there, and the new seals for it. Okay, this is the new unit. Okay, now this right here will adjust your water level by spinning it, and it raises the height of the float. Well, there's also an adjustment right here, which this is why I'm changing it, because I had it adjusted wrong. I figured since it's running slow, I will go ahead and put a new one in. So now, with the new one, what I'm going to do, you grab it here, and you can twist, and it runs this out, and it moves it down awful quick, so it don't take much turning. Okay, right there is about 1.25 inches difference. Okay. And so now I'll try to open this bag. Oh, that's some tough plastic. Okay. And this washer, yeah, right there, you can see it's got the little bevel. That goes against the porcelain and down in and against the porcelain. So you make sure that you turn it this way to put it on. And work it onto the new unit till it's flush up against this flange. Set this down in and make sure that the plastic nut seats, make sure that this is turned where it doesn't touch back here. If you see back here, you get it too far, it touches. That'll change your water. But set it to where nothing touches anything. And for now, I'll just let it hang there until I get the cameras reset. Now I'm reaching up on the top with my right hand and trying to put this nut on with my left, and not being left-handed makes it tough. Now this is supposed to be, you just tighten it up finger tight and it's supposed to seal, but I'm going to put not a lot, but about, I'd say that's a 1/16 of a turn more than what I could do with my hand. And then we'll reinstall the water line. I'm going to check and make sure that I don't have a leak. Okay. Now we're going to install this tube, which is the bowl fill tube. It simply slides onto that little spot right there, which with one hand is a little tough. And then slide this little clamp. That's something new that they're doing. And this little clamp I'm going to just take off and discard. The other end of this tube will slide into here. Now I don't know if you can see it or not. I'm going to turn the water on and adjust this thing. Okay, now the regular screwdriver, put it in here and we'll give this a twist or two down and see. So I'm going to raise it a little bit more. I'm at the maximum now. So now I've got that much water height, which is exactly what I wanted to get. See how it sounds on a flush? Sounds to me like it flushed. And it's starting to refill. Okay, now it's just a matter of cleaning up my mess, putting my tools up, and hopefully this video was informative enough for to help you a little bit. Yeah, you saw my bald head there. Hopefully you'll hit like, whichever side it's on. Give me a comment. You know, like is the thumbs up. Give me a comment. Share my video. Come on, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the little bell next to it. We'll see y'all in the next video. Let's get some grime under our fingernails. See ya.